Hello children, welcome to the Phonics class. Today's video is about 3-letter CVC words along with ob family. Children, if you are new to my channel, please refer my previous videos for better understanding. Children, CVC simply means consonant, vowel, consonant. We have to always remember that blending the letter sounds together is first step in reading. Children, are you ready to learn today? Yes, that's great. Here we go. Letter O. O makes the sound A. Letter B. B makes the sound B. Letter O and B together makes the sound AB. A, B, AB. Now we are going to learn words with AB sound. K, AB, Kab, K, AB, Kab. J, Ab, Job, J, Ab, Job. Ab, Mob, Ab, Mob. R, Ob, Rob, R, Ob, Rob. S, Ob, Sob, S, Ob, Sob. Children, here we have some more words to practice. Yes, practicing is so important. It's an essential part of learning phonics. Bob, Gob, Lob. Now, let's all have a quick review. You all can read with me. Bob, Cob, Job, Gob, Mob, Lob, Rob, Sob. Children, don't forget to practice these words every day. I hope you all had fun today. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click bell icon to get new video alerts. Thank you so much for watching.